How do MBR and GPT disk partition schemes differ? Imagine you're organizing a big filing cabinet. The way you arrange your files depends on the system you use. That's similar to how computers organize data on storage disks using partitioning schemes. Today, we're going to compare two main ways computers divide disks: master boot, record, and GID partition table. These systems help your computer know where data starts and ends, especially when installing or managing operating systems. Let's start with the older system called master boot record, or MBR. It was created back in the early 1980s. MBR can handle disks up to 2 terabytes in size. It allows you to create up to 4 primary partitions on a single disk. If you want more, you need to make one of those partitions an extended partition, which can hold multiple logical partitions. The MBR stores all its data in a single sector at the start of the disk. If that sector gets damaged, your entire disk can become unreadable. This system works with BIOS firmware, which is the older way computers start up. Because of its age, MBR is compatible with many older operating systems and hardware. Now, let's look at the newer system called GID partition table, or GPT. It was designed to fix the limitations of MBR. GPT supports disks much larger than 2 terabytes, up to around 18 exabytes in theory. It allows for up to 128 partitions without needing extended or logical partitions. Each partition on a GPT disk has a unique identifier called a globally unique identifier. This helps keep track of partitions more reliably. GPT also stores multiple copies of its data across the disk, not just at the beginning. This means if one copy gets corrupted, the others can help recover the data. It also uses CRC32 checksums to detect errors. GPT works with UEFI firmware, which is the modern way computers start up, offering better security and flexibility. From a management point of view, GPT is the better choice for modern computers. It supports larger disks, more partitions, and offers better protection against data corruption. Operating systems like Windows 8 and later, most Linux versions, and macOS prefer GPT. MBR is still useful if you're working with older hardware or operating systems that do not support UEFI or GPT. When installing a new operating system on a modern computer with a large disk, GPT is usually the way to go. It makes managing your data easier, safer, and more future-proof.